Hello everyone, welcome back to the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. Today we have this gorgeous Lamborghini LP780 in here for a front end extended PPF. We're also going to be adding gloss black PPF, which you guys have never seen this before on the channel, to the roof. Today we're going to be showing you the entire paint protection film install process. We're going to take the car outside, get it in the prep bay, get it fully decontaminated, then get it PPF'd, and we'll show you that right now. So there you have it, the Lamborghini has now been paint protected. The whole front end is now fully protected from stone chips and scratches, including the side skirts and the roof as well. When we do our PPF installs, we make sure every single edge slash corner is almost an invisible install, as you can see right here. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button for me and subscribe with notifications on, and also check out the links in the description. Get your car booked in today, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.